Yo, are we good? Are we good? Are we still here? Are we still here? Are we good? Are we good? Back. Okay, bet. Sorry, I'm getting back on the server, chat. Give me 1 second. Give me one slight second, bro. Embarrassing. And then we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go to Best Buy real quick. Sorry, chat. Give me 1 more second. I'm almost done setting this up. Okay, bet. Perfect. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Bang. Okay, cool. Bang. Okay, cool. All right, let's go. What's up, Najashi? Oh, she got the PC set up quick. Yep, we're building the shit. By the way, did it send out? Wait, did it send out Nodi again? Just a question. Bigger forehead than Summit is wild. I guess I have a big forehead. My forehead's not even that big. My forehead's not even that big, bro. You guys are exaggerating. You guys are being dramatic. My forehead is not even that big, bro. Shave the stash. Yo, Gutter. Shit, nah, I don't even know what to say. African forehead, bro. My forehead is not that big. Dead ass, bro. Dead ass. Nah, shave. The stash coming off soon, though. Yo, we good? We here? Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Yo, are we back? Like, can't even tell if we're good, bro. This shit is cooked on God. Yo. Yeah, we back? Okay. Did we just F, like small F, or did we go offline again? What happened to the build? I gotta grab RAM real quick. Yes, nigga, we back. That big ass forward took all the bitch. I gotta grab RAM real quick, bro. I guess I forgot to buy new. I didn't forget to buy new RAM. I was gonna use my old RAM, but it's not compatible, bro. I didn't realize that RAM compatibility changed so quick. I didn't realize that we were already on DDR5 instead of DDR4, bro. That's my bad. So we're about to go to Best Buy real quick and buy some fucking DDR5. What's good, Magus? Wait, yo, did this shit send out Nodi again, bro? Because I heard that you can only send out one Nodi every 4 hours, but I swear to God, niggas send more than that, bro. I swear to God, niggas send Nodis like every fucking hour, bro. So did that shit send Nodi again or not? Because if it did, bet, I'm about to start abusing that shit. I'm not even gonna lie. Hey, Jay Quickness. Hey. How you doing, bro? I do gotta save this stash low key. I gotta do something with it. No? Oh, rip. Yo, Jay Quickness, can you change the title real quick? Change it to, okay, keep the title the same, but put parentheses. Oh, wait, you guys can hear probably some shit at home, huh? I'm sorry, chat. This is a little bit of a scuffed stream. Y'all can probably hear the fucking song that's playing too, bro. Change it. Can you put parentheses after building new setup? Put parentheses. Getting new RAM. Getting RAM from Best Buy. Or buying RAM from Best Buy. Just put that. Parentheses. Buying RAM from Best Buy. Buying RAM from Best Buy. Whoa! What the fuck happened here? Oh hell no! It's probably nothing crazy. Probably nothing crazy. My phone just keeps turning on and off. Nice, bro. We'll just play fucking radio music, I guess. I live in Los Angeles. Getting RAM from Best Buy. Yeah, I'm in Cali. I changed. Yes, Jay Cooking does. Good job, buddy. That's exactly what I wanted. Seem to live pretty central. I'm in Hollywood, bro. I'm in Hollyweird, man. Hollyweird. How does my phone say 0% remaining, bro? Nah, something's wrong with my battery, chat. Something's wrong with my battery, bro. Are y'all seeing this shit? Did y'all see the 0? Micro Center, no, I'm going to Best Buy. I'm going to Best Buy. Yo, my battery's been tweaking out this whole fucking day. I need to activate the warranty on this phone and get a new one, bro. That's bad. Go, nigga. iPhone, yup. It's an iPhone. It's an iPhone, alright.
It's the voice of Southern California, basically. Mama, I'm coming home. 95.5 KLOS FM HD1 Los Angeles. It's home. It's where it was. Yeah, definitely, because KLOS rocked.
Oh, this is a good ass song. Alright, we're here pretty much, chat. Let's make this quick. Let's make this quick. Let's make this quick. So special. You're so fucking special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? Alright. I don't belong here. I want a perfect body. Okay, well, I actually have to just... You know, go fuck yourself, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? I want a perfect soul. This smells like weed, bro. That shit made me want to smoke. No bullshit. Who's calling? Hello? Okay, yeah. Just you needed help getting in, or? Yeah, so just. No, yeah, don't toss it. Just type in. Hold on 1 second. Holy shit, I look crazy. Hold on. Oh. Okay, where's the computer parts at? How you doing? By the whole store when the kick check hits back. That's the goal, bro. That's the plan. I do need a controller as well too. Yo, you know where like the RAM would be? Like RAM for a computer? Yeah.
The interior one?
Yeah. Right side? Alright, thank you. Wait, what? Oh, it's right here. This nigga said the right side. This is the left side, buddy. Ranch. Oh, let me answer, bro. Oh, you should have won't let me answer. Holy fuck, this retarded ass phone. Oh no, that's a call box, bro. Somebody here has like a table that I need for the computer. They're at the door, bro. Can't with this shit, but everything's just falling apart. How come I can't call back whoever just called me to you, by the way? Yeah, it's cooked, bro. It's cooked. I need somebody to open this shit up, though. Open this shit up. Yo. Excuse me. Can you help me open this real quick? Okay.
Ooh, no.
You need something from the
2x16. That's what I want. 2x16. Yup, right here. 2x16. 32 gigs. That should be good, right? 32 gigs.
Ooh, no.
Should be alright. Actually cooked, bro. Is anybody helping me? Yo, this is terrible service, by the way. I'm about to start yawning here, bro. Yo, excuse me. Yo, you work here? Can you just open this for me? All right, thank you. What model iPhone? I think it's a 16 or a 15. I'm pretty sure it's 16. It's the one before this last one. It's just cracked, bro. I'm getting a new one though. Oh shit, it's falling back. I'm getting a new one. I'm getting the exact same model though. I'm just gonna get a replacement because this one's cracked and the battery's fucked up and shit. Dang, I know. It's cooked, bro. It's cooked. Honestly, eventually I might switch over to Samsung, bro, personally. But I just can't with the green text messages, bro. I can't with the green text. And that's like the worst thing. Like, that's terrible risk, bro. That's terrible game. Terrible aura, bro. The green text is crazy. I'm still on 14 Pro Max type shit. Get that new iPhone, bro. They have it over there too. I was looking at it for a second. They do have it here. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, could somebody fucking help me? I'm not trying to be here for that long, bro. I'm not trying to. I have like a $60 desk that's just sitting outside the apartment building right now. Fuck's sake. Yo, excuse me. Can you help me open this? Worst take you're gonna fuck. That was a take like 10 years ago. Nah, I'm dead ass though. It's still like that. What's up? Yeah, I just need to open. I need this DDR right here. This RAM. Green text and what's up, Fuji?
The Vision system?
Yeah, the 32 gigabyte one right there. The 128 one. Yeah. Yeah, I was at home building my computer, and all of a sudden I had like no RAM, bro. I didn't realize I forgot to get the RAM. That shit's crazy, huh?
It's like the main thing really to get.
Yeah, exactly.
The computer does the work.
You think this one's good? Like, is this like a good one to get?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Bet. All right, just one of these is good. All right, thank you, bro. Bang. fucking roll with your doll and leave. I mean, bro, I need this. Like, I need this, bro. I genuinely need this. I'm not trying to wait till tomorrow. I'm trying to get this shit done today. Today. I'm so retarded, though. I got on the server. I didn't realize that I actually still need to be off the server because I'm going to plug my computer in where my current computer is. So it's not going to have any power. It's all good, though. It's all Gucci. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's get the fuck out of here. Put in your pants and walk out. Oh, God. Micro Center for the win. If we had a Micro Center near me, I would have definitely gone. Honestly, do I just put this in my pants? How you doing, man? I'm pretty good.
Is that for you?
Yes, sir.
You have a phone number of Best Buy you'd like to use?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's the phone number?
951.
Give me 1 second. Oh, sorry.
All right. Fuck.
They figured it out. Sorry about that.
They got it.
Yeah. This account? It's supposed to be 142.51.
All right.
Ask you a couple questions on the little screen. You want a bag or no bag?
Not bad. Not bad.
And then whenever you're ready, go ahead and enter tap at the bottom.
All right. And how do I bypass the pin?
It's like X.
That's good.
Yeah, you're good to go. You want the receipt or no?
All right, cool. All right, thank you, bro. Have a good one. You left your PC mic on.
Where
I'm
can
gonna
I
do
buy
that, bro.
electric Diddlexos?
Hey, y'all have a good night.
All right, you two be safe.
Thank you.
Where can I buy electric Diddlexos?
Bro, I'm a fucking doobad.
Oh,
I left the computer. Are y'all hearing double TTS as well? Did I leave the computer TTS on as well?
Electric dildos, please.
Bro, on God, I'm an actual doobad, bro.
Oh, nah.
Electric dildos is crazy. A driver has a message about your order. Bro, and these niggas are fucking up my order at my house too, bro. We gotta run. Oh my God, bro. I can't with today. I can't with this shit, dead ass. Oh.
Oh, no.
The fuck? Let's go. We actually have to rush home, bro. I already know some fucking crackheads.
You look like Libby from
already
Jimmy
getting close to my
Neutron.
packages, bro. Trying to fucking steal them. I'm already knowing, bro. I'm already knowing, bro. Oh, sport mode this shit.
You look like Libby from Jimmy Neutron.
Who the fuck is Libby, bro? Who the fuck is Libby from Jimmy Neutron, bro? Is that the black girl? Is that the black girl, bro? Move, nigga, get out the way. Move. Oh yeah, War started GG on, bro. Go, man. Chop it, chop it, chop it. Man, she got the BBL of doom. Bro, chat, why do like fucking McDonald's workers and shit get BBLs now, bro? I swear to God, she has like a Target shirt on. She has like a fat ass BBL. She's like a 40-year-old like black
Run,
mom.
bro, run.
Like everybody's just getting BBLs now, bro. Everybody has BBLs now, bro. It's just crazy. Niggas be janitors with BBLs. Like, what are we doing?
Honk these motherfuckers.
Facts. I should have just honked at that retard. A good quarter ounce.
Run, bro, run.
Bro, what is going on with this helicopter, bro? Hold on.
Honk
We might
these
have a little night club going
motherfuckers. They gotta pay for that BBL some way.
Let's see. I'm gonna check Citizen real quick. Because what the fuck is happening with this helicopter up there? It says nothing's here.
They gotta pay for that BBL some way.
I guess so. Was tax return today? They gotta be, bro, because I swear I just see like normal
Nightcrawl
ass people
segment
BBL.
B for
It used to
going
be
home
some shit.
LFG.
It used to be some shit, and now it's just like your mom's friend has a BBL now. It's like weird. I find BBL unattractive.
Nightcrawl
For the most
segment
part,
B
bro.
for going home LFG.
I'm trying to see if there's anything, but there's legitimately nothing here, bro. There's nothing here. I got my little. He gave up on the bill? Nah, I didn't, bro. I didn't. I just had to go buy what's it called? I had to go get some. I had to go get RAM. Yo, why is there like just so much traffic here though, man? Like, what are we doing on the roads today, bro? Holy fuck, I need to get back ASAP, bro. Yo, is my package gone, bro? Is my package gone, like that ass? Yo, I swear to God, if my package is gone, I'm gonna be actually pissed, bro. I'm gonna dead ass be pissed as fuck. If my package is gone, I'm gonna actually be mad, bro. I'm gonna actually get mad.
Martial law is imminent. Do not take Tylenol.
Martial
Don't
law
take it.
is imminent.
Don't not.
Do not
Oh,
take
no.
Hey, chat, are you guys taking
Don't
Tylenol
take
now or
it.
no?
Don't not.
Are you guys taking
Oh, no.
Tylenol now or no? Like, after what happened, after what Trump and RFK said, are you guys still taking Tylenol? I'm still taking Tylenol, bro. I took one today, bro, because I was feeling a little down. I'm not gonna lie. But are y'all still taking Tylenol? That's my question. 'Cause honestly, I feel like they don't know what the fuck they're talking about, bro. I'm gonna keep it a whole stack and a bean, bro. I'm gonna keep it a stack and a half, bro. I'm gonna keep it a stack and a half. Hell no, honestly don't give a fuck. That's what I'm saying. Alright, we're almost home. I should have got a
I will
screwdriver
never
too. I don't
stop
have a
taking
screwdriver.
Tylenol.
So
Fuck those
unprepared.
idiots. I mean, fuck me.
I will never stop taking Tylenol. Fuck those idiots.
That's what I'm
I
saying,
mean,
bro.
fuck me.
Natural remedies give us all we need. Facts. Team Tylenol, I put from 5 years ago. I just took it first. That's what I'm saying, bro. Bro. Release the files,
Up in
Trump.
waiting room.
That's all we care about, bro. Release the files, bro. Release the Trump file or the Epstein files, bro. That's all we give a fuck about for real, bro. All the other shit, you can keep it, bro. Just
Cuff
release
in
the
waiting
files, bro.
room.
Cuff in waiting room is crazy. Cuff in waiting room is crazy.
Chat will hear this
No,
2
that'd be fucking, bro.
times.
BAU stock's going up. BAU stock's going up. And I've been here, bro. So you can't even call me a dick rider, bro. I've been watching BAU. I've been followed, bro. I've been fucking with BAU, bro.
Chat will hear
One
this
of the
2
funniest niggas
times.
on fucking Kick, bro. SC party night? Nah, bro. It's building computer night, bro. It's building computer night, bro. Tomorrow will be live IRL with the cameraman though. We'll be doing all the Rizzy shit. We'll be doing all the trolley shit, all the pranks. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta give me pranks to do too, like, cause we can have the cameraman far away. Oh, what's going on here? I know y'all can barely see because of glare and shit.
I wish my teacher fucked me when I was in middle school.
What? That's crazy. Y'all want to go see what's going on? I'm pretty sure it's legitimately just like a stop. But we can go real quick before we go home. There's one car. I mean, there's literally like nothing there, bro. Hey, yo, yeah, that's crazy.
I
bro.
wish
That's
my
crazy.
teacher fucked me when I was in middle school.
Do it. I mean, there's one cop there. I gotta get my package first, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta get my package first. I gotta get my package first.
I wish I fucked my middle school teacher. I ain't gon' lie. I ain't gon' lie.
But if there are like actual calls around me while I'm building the computer, I will switch to IRL.
I wish I fucked my middle school teacher. I ain't gon' lie. I ain't gon' lie.
That's not bad, I guess. Homeless man is punny and shit. That's what I'm fucking saying, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. I mean, wanting to fuck your middle school teacher is not that bad. I don't know. I guess when they said I wish my middle school teacher fucked me, like, it just sounded crazier. I'm not gonna lie, bro. When I was in kindergarten, like, swear to God, bro, not like first grade or some shit, I had this baddie, like, light-skinned teacher, bro. We had, like, 2 teachers, like, one of those classes with, like, 2 teachers. Bro, this light-skinned chick, bro, I would just literally stare at her, bro. I would just have, like, daydreams about her, bro. And I was in first grade, bro. Deadass. Was a horny last year, my protected, bro. It's always the English teachers, bro. English teachers it's always the English teachers, bro. English teachers and nurses, bro. Those are 2 of the horniest fucking female jobs, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Nurses are like, bro, nurses get around. If you guys know, if y'all don't know, bro, now you know. Nurses get around, bro. Nurses get around, bro. Nurses get around, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Nurses get around, bro. They be fucking everybody, bro. They be fucking everybody. Swear to God. Bro, I know where my package is gone, bro. Nice, bro. I don't see my package. I'm over this shit, bro. I'm about to just end stream, bro. I'm over this shit, dead ass. Unless my package is at my, like, apartment door, it's just gone, bro. Nice, bro. Nice. Nice. I lose one. I gain one thing, I lose something else, bro. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake, bro. We're gonna see. If it's at my apartment door, we're good. But it's not outside anymore. And I don't know how he would have gotten in without me buzzing him in. So it just might be GG's, bro. I might have to like smoke some fucking weed or some shit, bro. I need to like, holy. I'm actually losing it.
Heidi and Frank. Need to go to a WNBA jail.
Ending like a baby. Yo, CX, bro, that really hurt my heart when I saw that you unfollowed me, but I'm not gonna lie. If your girl a nurse, just know the surgeon at work. That's what I'm saying, bro. And my, like, bro, yeah, no. And my dad's a doctor too, so I'm already knowing that the stories my dad tells me, bro, that of what used to happen in the hospital when he used to work, like, in a hospital. Yo,
I am
if you have
instructing
any
the
nurse relatives,
CDC to
bro, and she's
release
a
a
girl, bro,
nationwide
man.
mandate. Nurses get
Man.
around,
That's all good
effective
shit, bro.
immediately. I am instructing the CDC to release a nationwide mandate. Nurses get around, effective immediately.
It's legit, bro. It's legit. It's legit. What's in the package? It's the table for the computer, bro. It's the table for the computer because the table I currently have it's so small and puny and pathetic and beta that it's not able to house 2 monitors, my speakers, and my what's it called? And the box, the big ass gaming, like the computer box, you know. So I had to get a separate little mini table for the computer itself. Moment of truth in a second, bro. If my package is gone, I'm about to like beat up the first fucking crackhead I see, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't care. If my package is gone, I'm about to dead ass like find some homeless person, just beat their ass. Like, I'm sorry. Hello, how you doing? Oh shit. So package is not at the front. I got a text that said, "Oh, nice." Nice. Bang. All right, cool. Cool. Is this mine? Nice, it's mine. Oh, we're good, chat. No homeless people are getting hurt. No homeless people are going to be hurt today.
LOLW package.
Oh, no homeless people are going to get hurt today. They got lucky. They got lucky. They got lucky. They got lucky as hell. All right. Woo! Nice little run for the Ram. Little Ram for the run.
LOLW package.
I'm gonna switch back. Okay, I'm gonna. So I might have to restart stream one more time, chat. I know. I'm going to switch back to no server.
LOLW package.
I'm gonna switch back off the server. Oh, you guys are hearing TTS twice too, huh? And you're hearing the mic. That's bad. I'm gonna switch back to no server because I will have. While we're here, I guess I could do this for now while we're here. Give me 2 seconds, chat. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 of them. All I need is 2 of them. All I need is 2 of them. Alright, that's done. Bada bing. Bada boom. Bada bop. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Connections. Bada box cloud. Bang. Alright.